Ashish Kumar Saha. Ashish Kumar Saha is a politician from Tripura, India. In 2013 Assembly elections, he represent Town Bardowali constituency in West Tripura in Tripura Legislative Assembly. In 2016, he was one of the 6 MLA from Indian National Congress who joined All India Trinamool Congress due to unhappiness towards the party because of allying with the Communist Party of India Marxist in 2016 West Bengal Legislative Assembly election. On 23 December 2016, Saha demanded that Tripura Forest and Rural Development Minister Naresh Jamatia's CPI-M be removed over a sex scandal that Jamatia was allegedly involved in. In August 2017, he was one of the 6 MLA from All India Trinamool Congress who joined Bharatiya Janata Party. References